It is hard to believe, but it's time to get ready for our parent conferences that will be held on January 17th, 2022. We're going to use Sign Up Genius to have parents sign up for conferences again this year. So I'm going to walk you through, as every year it seems like there are a couple little changes. So just so everybody knows what to do, I'll take you through that real quickly. So first you are going to sign in to your Sign Up Genius account and create a new sign up. All right, so let's title our sign up. And I have Maplewood Elementary School as my group. I am going to choose my category as scheduling, so I get those individual slots. And they do make you select a category or a cause, so education works. They have all kinds of designs. I'm just going to pick the first one here to make it simple, and then save and continue. All right, so now it's time for our slots. So since this is one date, we want one person to be able to sign up for the slots. We want to do the sort by slot for signups where people can scan the slots before the date and time. So add dates. First one's probably going to be at 8. Your last one's probably going to be at 2:30. All right, so there's our date and our time frame, and now we're going to add individual slots. So in this bulk slot, you can make a list of your slots. So whether you want to do 15, 20-minute, 30-minute time frames for people to sign up for, you can list those in here. And you're going to put one time slot per line. Keep it set as number 1 so that only one person can get it. And then this is already pre-selected for you, that one individual date that we've already set. So once you've added those bulk slots, there you go. And obviously you're going to have more than I do right here, but it was that easy. You just put in those slots, they make them for you, and then save and continue. All right, so we are going to obviously require our parents to put their name and their email. Comment, you can make optional, because here in the more, I think putting that a phone is required is probably a good idea, just in case somebody doesn't show up and you want to be able to call them to see if they're running late, or if they maybe got confused with the wrong time frame, or if they're requesting a phone conference. It's going to be good for you to have everything in one spot for that day and have their phone number. And here for adding a custom question, this is already saved in here from last year. How would you like to be contacted for parent conferences? Or you can create a new wording to this if you would like to. And I'm going to return to my sign up. And so last year we did phone calls, we did Google Meets. This year we're going to also have in person as an option. And I think the option button, member can check one option, is probably the best way for you to get organized and know who is coming in that day, who you're going to need to call, and who may be requesting a Google Meet link. And the question status is required, so you know how they're participating that day. Save. Return to sign up. I would highly recommend that you take away this, allow people to swap slots with one another. Just so that you know the schedule for the day and parents aren't switching things at the last minute and causing confusion. Notifications, you can do a day in advance. It will send, Sign Up Genius will send a reminder to the parents. You can do 2 days in advance, 1 day in advance. And then restrictions and integrations, there's really nothing in there that we need to worry about. Save and continue. And then you're ready. There's your form with your title, your theme. You have your signups. And then to get that live link to share with me and then to also send out with your parents when we return back from holiday break, you're going to want to hit publish. And this is the link, copy link, that you're going to want to copy and send in an email to me. And then, like I said, hold on to this. We're going to send these out to parents when we return from holiday break, so they have 2-3 weeks to schedule these and make arrangements to maybe take off work or whatever they need to do to come in. So that's it in a nutshell. Please get me this link before we go home for break. Get it off your plate. If you need any help or have any questions, please don't hesitate to pop in and see me.